here to make sure that as we move into the digital age, rural communities are not left out, that they are able to also interact with what is happening in the country visually. They can participate in webinars, they can actually be heard visually. It comes with connectivity for the next 24 months, which will enable our children to access computers, but also it is loaded with our comprehensive digital content from grade R to matric. So it will also be serving as a catch-up space where young people can come and catch up with work that they have done and what they have lost in the community, but also on the days when COVID was making sure that our kids lost school time. Now they will be able to gain, but it also will serve as a support for the matriculants in terms of revision, because here they are able to interact. So we just improving services in our community care centers that we are rolling out throughout the country.